Think you need followers to make money on TikTok? Think again. In today's episode of Talk Billions to Me, we expose the surprising ways people are making thousands of dollars on TikTok, with 0 followers. Stick around till the end. You'll never look at TikTok the same again. Don't forget to subscribe. We uncover the stories they never wanted you to hear. TikTok Shop changed the game. You don't need an audience, just the right product. Case in point. Jessica Wu, a stay-at-home mom from Texas. She created a TikTok Shop account, uploaded 5 short videos using trending product demos, and linked to a $7 phone stand. The result? Over $2,300 in commission in just 3 weeks. The videos had less than 500 views each, but all it took was one sale funnel with the right keywords. Subscribe now. We break down the system every week. TikTok's algorithm isn't just about views, it's about intent. That's where affiliate marketing shines. Meet Kenny Lee, a college student who made $9,000 in 2 months. He used a fresh TikTok account to review Amazon products, then dropped affiliate links in his bio using Linktree. His top video? 1,200 views. That's it. The trick? He posted 3 videos a day, all around products with high affiliate commissions. Want to learn how he picked those products? Hit that subscribe button. No time to record? No problem. The rise of AI tools means you don't even need to show your face. Channels like at Auto Trendy Gadgets use voiceover, stock videos, and AI-written scripts to promote trending items. They link directly to TikTok Shop or their own Shopify. Some of these faceless accounts are pulling $500 to $1,000 a day, all without followers or a personal brand. Bookmark this idea. Faceless automation is the future. Most people scroll TikTok, but some people search TikTok, and that's your window. Let's talk about Maya D, a graphic designer who created videos titled Best iPad Case for Artists 2025 and Top Digital Pens Under $20. Her channel has under 100 followers, but ranked in search. She's making over $1,200 a month in affiliate sales. Subscribe if you want us to teach TikTok SEO in a full episode. Did you know you can go live on TikTok Shop, even with 0 followers? That's how at Zen Candle Co. sells handmade candles. They use TikTok Shop's live program to demo their products in real time. TikTok pushes these lives to shopping feeds automatically. That visibility alone led them to $5,400 in sales in 1 month. 0 followers, real money. In 2025, attention is currency, but followers are not required. TikTok has opened the door to a new kind of entrepreneurship. Fast, simple, and often anonymous. If you thought the platform was just for dancing, think again. Now you know the truth. Subscribe to Talk Billions to Me. We show you the billion-dollar strategies, no followers required.